Welcome to my review channel, world's first super trending. IBM's Watson and ChatGPT GPT-4 powered AI app generates us real human emotion-based voices, unique content, audiobooks, and podcasts with just one keyword. Then sell them to our secret buyers network of 3.2 million users, and making us $382.38 daily with literally zero work. Even a 100% beginner can do it. Without hiring anyone. No writing content. No experience, no hidden fee, no BS. Eliminate all the guesswork and jump straight to results. Let AI create real human emotion-based voices. Create complete audiobooks and podcasts easily. Even I write high-quality unique content for you. A true AI app that leverages IBM's Watson and ChatGPT GPT-4 technology. Instant high-converting traffic for 100%. Free, no need to run ads. 300 plus real voices to choose from with human emotions. 100 plus languages to choose from. DFY 1 million articles with full PLR license. Create unlimited VSLs. Sales copies, emails, ads copy etc. Turn your old boring robotic voices into a real human voices. 98% of beta testers made at least one sale within 24 hours of using VoiceFusion Ai. Pay only once and get profit forever. No complicated setup, get up and running in 2 minutes. 30 days money back guarantee. Free commercial license included, serve unlimited clients. All it takes is 3 fail-proof steps. Start your own content and voiceover agency today. Step 1. Log in to members area. Get instant access to VoiceFusion Ai for a low one-time fee and log in to your exclusive members area. Step 2. Just enter a keyword. You also can upload your old voice, text file etc. and let the AI take care of everything for you. Step 3. Make profits. That's it. There is no technical setup. There is no learning curve. VoiceFusion Ai technology will generate unique high-quality content and emotion-based real human voiceovers. Also convert them to classy audiobooks and podcasts. And we daily make money like this. Friends, if you can buy the products, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.